family, welcome back to another episode of Wild Women Wet Shaving. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry I didn't make a video last week. It was a bit hectic on my side, even though we don't have jobs and we're all just laying around. Stuff is still going on. So for this week's episode of Wild Women Wet Shaving, well, first of all, go ahead and hit that subscription button. I think it's over here or over there, but go ahead and hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I do new videos. For this week's episode of Wild Women Wet Shaving, I used a cream, a soap, and a CROAP boar and synthetic in order to get some lathers done. I haven't explored lathering up on my soaps. I usually just lather a little bit and then go ahead and apply it to my leg without really getting into the texture of the product that I'm using. The first one that I lathered on was the Badger, and you may recognize it from the video I did about the Welks products that I purchased. I really wanted to take my time and really lather up on this soap. I believe I used the boar hair because I wanted something nice and gritty on the soap. Ugh, it was so boring. This soap, honestly, if I was a company and I heard reviews that this soap wasn't good, I'd just discontinue the lot. I mean, the scent is pretty okay. It's nothing. It just kind of smells like peppery soap. Maybe it would make a good body wash, but the lather, it was okay. Just everything about it was just very, yeah, all right. Yeah, all right. Okay. But not, oh, this is great. I wouldn't take this traveling with me. I might give it away to somebody that I don't really know. But honestly, it's a waste of soap. Next, I used, I'm pretty sure, the Fendry hand, but we'll make sure the videos are synced up. This is a cream. So unlike the other one that's literally a bar of soap, this, if you leave it sitting like this, it'll eventually just all mold to this side of the container. It's really soft, it's water-based, it's jelly, it's fantastic. It could be stuffed into a tube. That's how creamy this stuff is. It lathered up Bugatti Veyron style. Like, it was off the line and frothy and foamy. It's not overpowering in fragrance, it's just really blissful. So if you have, somebody in your house is really, really scent strong, like, that person in your family that as soon as they walk into a room, they're like, it smells like meat in here. Oh, it smells like B.O. Oh, it smells like Chanel No. 5. If you have somebody that that lives like that, get the Fender hand stuff because they will never be able to smell it. And if they do, they'll love it. Last but not least, Executive Man. This is from Sterling Shave Soap. It's a CROAP. It's not... You noticed how I could literally stick my finger into the Fender hand and then with the puck, you could play hockey with it? This is the halfway medium. So this is what you call a CROAP. See how my finger can actually get into it? But it's not soft enough to go plunging my finger into, but it's not hard enough to play hockey with. This is what you would call a CROAP. Lathering with this CROAP was amazing. Yes, Sterling. When you're a wet shave advocate, when you almost get emotional talking about how much you genuinely enjoy the shave process, how much you enjoy the lathering process, and how much you enjoy wet shaving in general, that's what this company has done for me. Not just this company alone, but this shave soap is so good to use. First of all, fragrance popping off. If you want something that smells like the man you love or the man you want to love, get executive man. If you're a single woman and you ain't got time to find a man, get executive man. This will comfort you. So instead of just sitting here and talking about the soaps, let's have a little ringy-ding on the shaving brushes, because as great as those soaps, the CROAPs and the creams are, it's the shaving brush that really is the tool on all this. If you don't have a shaving brush, 2 out of the 3 are useless. Fender Hen synthetic white tip. I don't know if this is angel hair, but it is soft. Like, it is beautiful. It picked up on both the CROAP and the cream really easily, but I still do find that with hard soaps, synthetics just aren't my friend. It might be the water quality here, but I always find that I'm working way too hard to get a shaving soap to lather up. Mais c'est juste. I love the feel of this brush in my hand. I love the feeling of this brush in my hand. It feels so nice when you're lathering. It's just so good. It rinses out really easily, and within 15-20 minutes it's dry. So if you're the type of person that you're just very low maintenance, you don't want to put any effort into anything ever, get a synthetic. Just get a synthetic. We have boar. I almost called it magic. We have boar bristle. There's something that I just love about the boar bristle. Maybe it's just sort of my roughness in life. I like the grittiness. I like the toughness. I don't like soft, feminine things all the time, or most of the time, 90% of the time. I like rigid, I like coarse, I like something that you can really pick up with. So anytime I have a hard puck that I just can't lather, I reach for a boar. If I want something, like if I haven't shaved in a while and I need something that's less dainty, I'll reach for my boar. I'll reach for my boar. I know both of these, this is a beautiful looking brush. This is a little bit more scraggly in an unattractive way, but it's okay. I'm not looking for beauty and refinement every time I go to shave. I'm looking for quality of job. So for this week's episode of Wild Women Wet Shaving, no, I didn't shave for you, but that's okay. I wanted to lather up. I wanted to have fun. I wanted to experiment a little bit in the bathroom with my shaving soap, my shaving cream, and a CROAP. And I hope that you learned the difference between the 3, because there is a difference. And when you are going to lather, sometimes using a boar on a cream is too easy. You might want to use a synthetic. Sometimes using a synthetic on a soap might take long, so you'll want to use a boar. It's all about learning and experimenting and trying to figure out which puzzle piece really fits for your life. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Wild Women Wet Shaving. I'm kind of having a fun, frivolous, and frilly day, so I hope that your day continues to be as good as mine. Please don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. I love reading the comments. I love hearing about your shaves. It's so great to see all these new people popping up. I love the fact that we're growing together. We're almost at 200 subscribers, and that's pretty awesome to me. I'm not in a hurry to become a YouTube star. That's not why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because we're both bored and we need to shave. So thank you again. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you beautiful people next week. Bye.